Hello, there are many details to consider when choosing an injection molding machine, due to different production requirements. How to choose a suitable injection molding machine? Taking into account the different needs of customers, Huarong continues to develop and improve the product line of horizontal and vertical injection molding machines according to different plastic, product and production needs, etc. to meet the needs of customers for the production of different plastic products. Now, through injection molding machine and plastic products, lead you to understand how to choose a suitable injection molding machine. The injection molding machine can be divided into clamping unit, injection unit and power system. First, clamping unit, mold capacity size. The key points to be considered include the tie bar distance, opening stroke, mold thickness, etc. Tie bar distance refers to the distance between the four tie bar, which determines whether there is enough space to accommodate the mold. Opening stroke refers to the maximum bending to straightening distance of the moving platen by the toggle. The distance affects whether there is enough space for the product to fall after being ejected. Second, injection unit, plasticizing capability. The points to be considered include injection weight, injection pressure, injection rate, etc. These factors determine whether the product injection weight and molding performance are sufficient. Final, power system affects the injection pressure and injection rate. If customers have high injection rate or fast cycle time needs, the motor and pump can be increased to achieve the expected effect under constant system pressure. In addition, in order to reduce energy consumption, the power system can choose servo motor. The advantages of servo injection machine include: system has high precision, fast response, and good stability. High energy saving ratio, low noise, and less cooling water demand. Hydraulic oil temperature is not easy to rise. Long machine service life and low maintenance cost. Wide range of practicability, covering all plastic products. Next, let's move on to plastic products, which can be divided into plastic, condition, size, and weight. Plastics decide whether to choose a thermosetting injection molding machine. If your products need thermosetting plastics, such as BMC and Bakelite, then you need to choose thermosetting injection molding machine. This type of machine is heated to cure the product, which is suitable for the production of anti-corrosion, high-temperature resistant, insulating products. Conditions determine the model. For example, thin products should use high-speed injection molding machine, due to plastic will lose fluidity because of rapid cooling in mold, resulting in insufficient filling. If you have two-color or two-material injection needs, you can choose dual injection molding machine to meet the needs of increasing production capacity and two-color injection. Size and weight determine the tonnage of machine. When product size and weight are larger, the tonnage of machine will increase. If your product is long and large, such as chairs, buckets, etc., you can choose two-platen injection molding machine with long opening stroke. There are still many details that need to be considered when choosing an injection molding machine, in order to meet all injection molding needs of customers and become a good industry alliance partner that customers are willing to entrust. In addition to providing you with the most complete consultations, Huarong continues to expand product line, not only providing horizontal and vertical injection molding machines, but also establishing an automation department under the Fourth Industrial Revolution to assist customers in planning fully automated production and building smart factory. Huarong's consistent core value: quality, innovation, and industry alliance.